Action. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another JewTunes video, and it's your host, Jew, and I'm here with another YouTube video. As you can see by the title, we are going to be creating a beard and facial hair for your YouTube characters. So if you want to go ahead, like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's go ahead and get to reach the 700. Road to 700. Yeah, let's go ahead and do what we gotta do, man. Make sure y'all pray. Give thanks, man. I want to pray before we get started. That way we can go ahead and attack this with clear minds, clear thoughts. And if you want to go ahead and skip this, man, ain't no force. I ain't tripping. You can go ahead and skip straight to the tutorial. So we about to pray. And yeah. So here we go. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for letting us wake up today. Thank you for everything, all the things you've done for us. Thank you for making sure we stay safe. Forgive us for our sins. Just help us keep going no matter how hard life is. Just keep going, keep pushing, and keep going after our dreams and aspirations and all that. Protect our loved ones, family, friends, and all that. And yeah, love you, appreciate you. And let's go get it. Amen. All right, y'all. So we done praying. So let's go ahead and get to it, man. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Also, man, I got the Patreon, bro. I'm also creating a realistic locker room scene, and if you're interested in that, go over to the Patreon. I dropped the 2 first videos on my YouTube. The rest of the course is on the Patreon. So if you don't mind, please subscribe to the Patreon. That way we can go ahead and build the community up and get this knowledge out. All right, now we can start. All right, bet. All right, screen recording, 3, 2, 1, sync. All right, so I got the screen recording now. All right, so now we on. Make sure you click your main character or whatever character you want to have it here, and we're gonna go to particle properties. We're gonna click this plus sign. Boom. We're gonna call this particle system 1. We're gonna call this. Let's name it. What we name this? Let's see. What we gotta name this? What we name this? What did we name this? Pretty boy Goatee. So we're gonna type in pretty boy I'm saying. Oh, yeah. What is that? Pretty boy Goatee. Alright. Now we have our character, right? We got this. Now let's switch this to hair. So we had this to hair. Let's do pretty. Let's name it again. Pretty boy Goatee. Yeah. All right. So now we had a hair. Make sure you switch your middle to hair, and we can shrink this down. Shrink that down, right? Shrink this down to about right here. And then we're gonna change the number to, hold on, let's bring this up just a tad. To about, shrink it down to about 0.05 and change the number to 0. Yeah, change the number to 0, right? So now, there's no hair showing. So we're gonna go to object mode, go to particle edit. Go to the side right here, make sure this is up. If it's not up, hit N to bring that side panel up. Excuse me. And now we can find tools, go to tools, make sure X mirror is on. Now, if you go here to add, let's go ahead and add our beard. Alright. So we're gonna change the count to 10. Let's change it to 10. Let me see what that do. Alright, bet. Let's change it to 5. Let's start off. Alright, y'all. So let's start around. Let's move this camera out of the way. I'll hide that camera. Alright, let's start around the mouth area. So pretty boy Goatee, basically like a little simple goatee that's gonna go like shoom, shoom type shit. All right, so first let's start around the mouth. Make sure you grab the add tool, count 5, and make sure this is checked. Well, uncheck it first. Now hit F, change the size, and now we just place the hair. Need be, right? So we just placing the hair all around the lips. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna also do a grooming course for you guys, show you how to like really get in the hair detail, like detail hair. Where you already know that's gonna be on the Patreon. But if you guys wanna learn how to do different hairstyles, let me know, man. I'm gonna teach y'all how to do straight hair too as well. Get a little diversified, because I know there's people out there that want to learn how to do straight hair, not just black hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and teach y'all, make y'all make sure y'all diverse with y'all hair. That's the best thing to do, is be versatile, bro. Don't just stick to one thing. So I'm really just adding it on the side. Let me see. Yeah, I'm really just adding the goatee on the side type. Like, just make sure I get all this. And watch this. Right now it's sticking up. It looks kind of crazy, right? That way, so we gotta brush it down. We have to brush it down, y'all. So grab your brush tool, your comb tool, go to front view, and now you just have to groom it. This is the fun part. You just groom that guy. Make sure this is checked. That way it won't go through the skin. It can react and collide with the skin. Make sure, yeah, all right, bet. You know what I'm saying? Just brush it down, brush to the side like this. Have a little mustache going on. Do a front view first. Just brush that thing to the side like that. You know what I'm saying? This is how it start off, bro. This is how you start off grooming. Make sure your hair is good. You know what I'm saying? Check this out. Let's see, this is like the middle. Like the lip, you know that little dip in the middle of the lip? That's like this area right here. So we gonna go ahead and split, groom some of these hairs. You know what I'm saying? Where they belong. So that's good. Make sure you can just place some. And if you want, you can just decrease or increase the strength. The more you decrease it, the less it'll move. That way you can just, like if you wanted to just subtly place hair meticulously, like in certain areas, you will. That way it just don't move everywhere. You can like really style it the way you want. So now I'm just styling my hair the way I want. I'm gonna increase it up, that way I can get it laid. You know what I'm saying? Then you can cut it too as well if it's too long. I'm gonna show you how to get into all the grooming course. This will be a grooming course. I'm gonna make a grooming course for y'all. Get into details. Alright, now you see everything's coming together from the front view. Now let's go to the side view, which is 3 on the numpad. And now we're just gonna bring some of this hair back. I'm gonna brush this down, bring some of this hair back this way. You know what I'm saying? Bring some of that back. That way it's touching the skin. You know what I'm saying? It's like overgrowth. Boy got overgrowth. Y'all see it? Let's go to left view. Control numpad 3. So let's pull some of it back. Let's decrease the strength and decrease the radius. Now we can just adjust some of it. Yeah, man. This is how you basically like make hair, bro. It's really simple and fun. It's relaxing though. So yeah. And just make it go to the side like that. Tie you out. You know what I'm saying? Just make it go to the side. Some crease. Now we're gonna go back to the add tool and make sure this is checked, interpolate. That way when we add it, it'll already be laid down instead of it being sticking up. You know what I'm saying? You see how I just already laid down? It copies like the previous hair position. So everything, all the hair is laid down. So when you add it, it'll lay down itself. Now when you uncheck it and you click it, you see how it stays straight up like this? Therefore you gotta just like try to do that and keep this check. Alright. Now we can go ahead and start on the sides. We're gonna uncheck this. Since it's a goatee, we gotta make it come down like this. We gotta make it come down like this. And then, yeah, so let's first worry about the sides, the vertical bars. Let's worry about these, so let's brush these down. Increase this up. Brush them guys, brush them down, make sure that hair is laid. Let's go to right view, brush it down this way. You know what I'm saying? And like you can puff it up just a little bit if you want. Like, so if you want, you just puff it up, puff the hair up. That way it's not all the way flat and just stick up from the skin. And just start brushing. Alright. Let's add some more. Make sure this is checked. And just start adding some more on the side. Just connect this beard right here. Let's connect this beard. So uncheck this, that way it can appear regular and we can just groom it the way we need. So we just getting the chin part. I'm looking over. Alright, so we got the chin, we getting the chin part. We gotta have to bring this up right here. Let's add some in this gap right here. Also, we can add some stick up, so you can have some hair laid, and then you can add some sticking up too, just to, you know what I'm saying? So watch this. Alright, so we can have some of this sticking up. Let's go here. Let's go to the length. Let's go to shrink. Let's just shrink it down. You ain't really gotta comb it because it's like hair is sticking out. So you can just shrink this. You really just shrink this guy. Let's increase. Shrink. You know what I'm saying? You see how it's coming together? You know what I'm saying? Look like little stubble, but then if you want to, you can just groom it down a little bit, decrease the strength. It's about 1.42, and then you can just low-key like groom it down. Now it's starting to turn out how you expect. You know what I'm saying? Now it's starting to look like a beard, man. Make sure you groom it, man. Make sure you get that hair. You know what I'm saying? Just make it stick out some, puff it up some if you want to. Feel me? Let's go to the left side. Brush, pull it down. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. We can and then don't worry about it looking rough right now, y'all. It's all good, because we can go ahead and shape it up the way we want to. I'm gonna delete this. Grab the scissor tool. Just delete these sides. I don't like how I did that. Just grab this, add tool, and just add it again. This time, hold on, let's shrink. Tool, well, shrink tool, right? Shrink tool, length tool, and shrink it. Cause this is like stubble type shit. If you feel what I'm saying, just shrink some of it. Shrink. Then go to the side, right view. Comb some of this down. You comb some of this down. Feel me? You see how it's coming like that? Just comb it down and just move it in the direction you want it to go. That's why it's important to have a strength flow too. That way it don't be moving all over the place. But you can change it to where you need. Yeah, so got the hair. Let me increase the strength for this beard. I don't like that beard. Yeah. So yeah, we got the hair. Make some of this hair stick up from the chin. Then we can go ahead and add some to the bottom. Right here. You know what I'm saying? Add some right here. And yeah. Go ahead and knock this chin out right here. You know what I'm saying? To add a little second lift, now we can just go ahead and just groom this down too. You know what I'm saying? So you can add different varieties of length of the hair. You can go ahead and add the stubble first, shrink it down, and then next when you add the longer hair, you don't have to shrink it down. Just groom it. That way you'll have different varieties of hair and it'll look way more realistic. If you know what I'm saying. Now I'm just trying to get this right. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, get his hair. So, get that. Let's go ahead and shape this up. Shape this up the way you need to. Comb that the way you need. Pull this down. This down. You know what I'm saying? Now you learning how to style the hair. You're able to do any type of hairstyle as you please. So this is what you usually want to do at first. And then we can go ahead and shrink it too. I'm gonna shrink this. That way it ain't too long. Cause I low-key still want that stubble look, low-key. So we can go ahead and shrink this guy. Let's separate some, like add gaps in it. So let's go some in the opposite direction. That we can add some more character to the beard. And then let's go in the opposite direction. Add a little coarseness, nappiness to it. You can add some nappiness to it. Whichever you prefer, man. Let's go to the right view. You know what I'm saying? Everything coming together, bro. Everything's starting to look like how it's supposed to. Let's add some more hair. Add it right here. Add it right here. Let's add it to the side too, right here. All like that. Hold on. Add it to this side. You know what I'm saying? Now let's go ahead and comb this down. Yeah, I'm saying you had the goatee. Comb it down. And shape it up. Feel me? Alright. Let's add some stubble. Add some stubble right here. And shrink it. Little patches and shit right here. Grab the comb tool, and we're just gonna pop some of this out. Tight vibes. We'll pop some of this out like this. Shape this a little better. You know what I'm saying? Push that down a little bit. You might get rid of it. I don't know. I might get rid of this. Looks sloppy, right? Well, I don't know. Let me see. Let's see. Interpolate. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that. Alright, so now I'm gonna grab my scissors and I'm about to start shaping this beard up. Go on this side, shape yourself from here. Lead this, make these vertical lines straight. Alright, now I'm gonna go on the inside and shape it up. All this shape it up this side. Alright, now I'm going to, let's see, let's add some more right here. Let's see. Add like a little hump. In this little region. That way the chin ain't negated. Alright, now you see the beards coming together. Now all you doing is just really shaping it how you want. And then we can go ahead and add the scissors and cut it. Shape it up. Take this off. You know what I'm saying? Should edging some of this up right here. Let's edge the mustache up too. You know what I'm saying? Just gonna cut some of that. Shit really like a barber video, bro. A blender barber video. Alright, let's edge this up. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to like make it look good. Like a little goatee. Let's add some to fill in the spots. Fill in the gaps, like shit like this. And let's comb some of this in. Tight lines. Alright, yeah. So, alright, yeah, so we got the goatee. You know what I'm saying? We got the goatee. If this your first time doing a beard, bro, like I said, and it don't look as what you would like it to look, it's all good, bro. You just gotta keep practicing, bro. At one point, I was like that. I just had to keep doing it. I've been doing hair for like 2 years now. And I don't really know it all the way, so I'm still practicing learning how to do it. But yeah, that's the goatee. You know what I'm saying? So next we get out of particle edit mode, right? And now you got your red fuzz, and what we can do is let's gonna do this. Let's do this. We're gonna click add. Matter of fact, we're gonna click add new material. We're gonna hit material. We're gonna go beard tutorial material, because I already have a beard material. This is for the tutorial purposes. Beard tutorial. Alright, we can change principal BSDF into, let's change principal BSDF to principal hair, and then we can change this to black. Let's decrease saturation. Let's go to particle tab. And now we can go material. Change this to beard tutorial material. And now it's gonna be white. And now we gotta go here. That way in the viewport display is black. Alright, so now once we particle edit tab, particle tab right here, and now we can just go ahead and go to children and go to Sim O. You know what I'm saying? Let's do 50. See, this shit look like a damn werewolf. But no, we're gonna go to simple. Now, as you can see, this beard is looking all out of whack. Now, we can go ahead, let's go drop this to 30, and drop this to 50. Drop display amount to 30, render amount to 50, make sure you add children, and it's under the simple tab. Now we're gonna go to radius and decrease that. Go to radius to decrease. Push it up some. Let's do 10. Let's change this to 20. Cause I don't want to render all this. It's like, let's go to edit. Click the this dude and go particle tab. Let's get this out of there. Alright. Now we shall go hair shape, diameter root, we're gonna do 0.5. Now let us bring up my lights. Ooh, my lights. Now I'm gonna go to the render side, like the render view. And I wanna check how this hair looks. Alright, let me hit Control B. So if you hit Control plus B, it'll just show like a section of the render view. That way your computer don't run slow and we can see exactly what we're looking at. Alright, so now you got the beard, so it's too thick. So what we will do is, let's add some variety to it. Let's go to particle tab. We're gonna go to roughness, to go to uniform and do 0.035. And let's go to shape and do 0.05. Let's see. 0.025. Let's do 0.035. And 1. Oh damn. 0.035. So 0.035 and 0.2. 0.025. Let's do 1. Let's do 0.2 and 1. 0.035. Okay, 0.035. So uniform 0.035. Size is 1. Let me see. Yeah, we can do. Okay, we can leave size 1.2 or 1.5. Endpoint could be, hell no, 0.35, 0.035, 0.015. That might be straight. Nah, let's do 0.065. We can, dang, we can shrink. Let's see if we can do like this. Let's do 2. Oh no. 1. I'm really just playing with it right now. Y'all can really see what works and what don't work. See 0.023. That's straight. So we're gonna do 0.0231. We're gonna leave this at 1. Size at 1 and uniform 0.035. And we're gonna go diameter root, uncheck this. And we're gonna go diameter root 0.25. Let's go to render, view, and let's see what it looks like. Alright, so let's take this down to 0.025. So that might be it right there, 0.025 as diameter root. Let it load up. It's taking a minute. Let's do 0.038. I want a little bit more volume. Okay, that might be straight. Yeah, that's good, that's good. And now what we can do is shrink it. Like, just shrink it down. We can, you know what I'm saying? We got the goatee on, my boy. Alright. Another thing we missing too is the little bottom lip hair. So, in order to do that, let's go back to children and click none. Let's go to object mode, particle tab, go to add. We're just gonna do that to 1. We're just gonna start adding a little triangle here. But shit, let's crank that up. Hold on. Just add a little triangle here type shit. You know what I'm saying? To grow that guy, and then you can go ahead and get the scissors on that guy and style that guy. Make that thing like a little triangle. Oh, that shit ugly. You know what I'm saying? Get that guy idea, you know what I'm saying? So gooch. Boom. Got that guy. Now you go back. Simple. Oh. She look goof. Don't worry. Let's go back. Particle tab. Yeah, green. I really don't like how that look. What I'm gonna do is something different. Uncheck this. Grab them scissors, cut that out. Interpolate. Actually, uncheck that. There we go. I'll do that right there. Add those scissors again. Get those scissors. And we're gonna move this to the side. Let's go back, go to simple. I don't like how that look. Go back 9. If it ain't gonna turn out the way we need to, bro, we just gotta get rid of this shit, bro. Just for the sake of the tutorial. But let's see what it did now. Nah, it's still up. Alright, fuck that shit, bro. Alright, forget it, bro. We just gonna get rid of that. Sorry, guys, for wasting your time. Sorry. Alright, now we're just gonna shrink all this. Just shrink this. Increase the strength to about 0.3 and some change. And let's just shrink this. That way it can be low-key like close to the skin. But you still want to have it puff up a little bit, a little puffy, wuffy, you know. Just shrinking all this, y'all. That's it. Go under the chin, under the neck, shrink that up. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing to it. Alright, let's go to render view and see what that's hitting on. Oh, we gotta go object mode. Object mode, a little simple. Alright. For sure. Let's do, I want a diameter 0.028. What that do? And let's go kink type. I want to add a curl. Kink type curl and do 0.002. That way it's looking, or just do 0.035. Alright. Do flat and keep it flat. Do frequency 5. Oh, this look crazy, bro. Oh, let's change this to 0. Let's keep that normal. Let's do 0 endpoint. Endpoint is 0. Or we can just 0.01. Yeah, just do a little bit, 0.015. Alright. I'm gonna go back to the particle tab and adjust some of this. Like this right here, for example, this is uneven, not like that. Somebody go ahead and trim some of this on. Yeah. Let's go ahead, bring some of this out. I bet. You know what I'm saying? It looked kind of crazy right here. Let's go to right view. And let's turn this back to none. We're gonna fix the side up right quick. Yeah. Fix the side up. Fix the side up. Some of that down. And then you can pick some of this out. You know what I'm saying? And then just brush it back like that. Shit. That's have some hair going like this way type shit too. But yeah, man, I'm gonna give you like a full course on how to groom hair properly, bro. But this is like just for tutorial purposes, get you guys started on where to like how to do facial hair and stuff like that. So you know what I'm saying? It's just like a little start where you get started, reference, whatever. Yeah, man, pretty boy Goatee, man. Feel me? For sure. Let's see how that look. Oh damn. Oh wow. What a simple. I just see one more. Alright, Boulay. Alright, so yeah. We got our goatee. I know it ain't perfect. Let me see. Hold on. This is bothering me. Oh, let me trim some of this down just a tad bit. Let me trim some of this down just a tad. I like a little organized. I don't like my renders to look sloppy. Alright, let's see what that look like. Hold on. Right there. Right that way. That way. Pull some of this down. I bet. Let's go back to simple. This right here, is 2 to the side. Change it. Bring this down that way. Bring this over. Close to the mouth. Now let's see. Alright, that's crazy. I can deal with it. Hold on. No, I can't. I lied. Get my scissors, trim this down. Clean all that. I'm still making little trims, trying to trim little vertical bars, yo. I wanna. That's good right there. That's gonna work right there, cause it's just gonna have to work. So yeah, that's just gonna have to work right there, y'all. Let me do radius. I'm gonna increase the roundness to like 0.2. Yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna render it out. That way we can see what it looks like, man. You know what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and render this puppy. Yeah. As I walk through this motherfucker. Yeah, I stun, nigga, and you know I keep 'em uncle. My bad, freestyle. Bad freestyle. So yeah, got the beard going, and you know we got the beard flowing. Hey. Look like a fucking Will Smith or some shit. And you got that Will Smith motherfucker. Red Will Smith had that tight shit. And I go tight with it. And I go tight with split. Tight knit trick, tryna bit. Okay. Yeah, I'm about to. Okay. Yeah, I'm about to. It's the party. It's the gnarly nigga. It's a Carly nigga. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and render my thumbnail out, y'all. So that concludes our beard tutorial. Our pretty boy Goatee tutorial, beard tutorial. If you like this tutorial and want to learn how to do more hairstyles, please drop a like, a comment, and we can pick out different hairstyles we can do. Let's do straight hair, curly hair, dreads. We can get into it, yeah. You know what I'm saying? So we can do everything. I'm gonna teach you how to do eyebrows. I'm gonna teach you how to do all the hair. Like, we can groom it right. I'm gonna teach you how to cut it, fade it, like we did last time. So yeah, man. This is the beard tutorial, bro. I really hope you guys like this. I really hope you can take this and add it to your own bag, and let's just be great together, man. I fuck with y'all. I love y'all. And then, yeah. Peace out, man. I love y'all, man. Peace. Peace.